Hi everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Tuna Daikon. It's daikon simmered in tuna broth. Very simple yet delicious, only 3 ingredients. My son has been to daikon digging. He is in 2nd grade and it's been maybe since kindergarten he went to the daikon digging. It's actually a very popular event in Japan in winter. It's amazingly delicious. It was my son's request. I hope you find this recipe helpful and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. My son has been to daikon digging in December. If your daikon comes with leaves, cut them off and use the leaves as soon as possible. I have some recipe ideas on my channel, so please check them out. You can keep the roots wrapped in a newspaper for about 2 weeks. Now let's get started. Peel and cut daikon into bite-sized pieces. Put daikon in a pot. Add water until covered. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and lightly drained tuna. Simmer for about 15 minutes. And now it's done. If you leave it for a few hours or overnight, the flavor will soak in even more and the dish will become tastier. This whole dish is really good. The soup is delicious. No stress, no mistake. You have to try it out. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Oishii
おいしい。大根は美味しかったの？自分で掘った大根は。
美味しかった。
じゃあね、またちょっと後でプールから帰ってきて味が染み込んだのを食べてみよう。めっちゃ食べてるよ。
ツナと大根が混ざっててうまい。大根と汁とツナが全部混ぜ合ってる感じでとても美味しい。
染み込んでた？
とても染み込んでる。
ね、めっちゃ食べてるよね。
チャンネル登録お願いします。グッドボタン押してね。バイバイ。
ちょっと忙しい一日でしたね。プールに行った後、チアに行った後でした。またね。
またね。